Hi guys, and welcome back to Sunny's List of Things. Planet Earth is absolutely teeming with creatures that vary in size and appearance. Many either look scary or pose a dangerous threat to humans. So, listed here in no particular order are 10 of the scariest animals on the planet. So, strap yourself in as we go through this list. First on the list are anglerfish. The anglerfish are of the teleost order Lephiformes. They are bony fish, named for their characteristic mode of predation, in which a modified luminescent fin ray acts as a lure for other fish. Most anglerfish are less than a foot long, but can be up to a metre in length. This creature was found 1,600 feet deep in the ocean. Benthic species live on the sea floor and are generally ambush predators. Pelagic species swim freely, but for the most part are also ambush predators. They will drift in wait while their lure draws prey to them, and when it gets close enough, they swallow it whole. Next we have the crocodile. Crocodiles, or true crocodiles, are large semi-aquatic reptiles that live throughout the tropics of Africa, Asia, the Americas and Australia. They have powerful jaws with many conical teeth and short legs with clawed, webbed toes. They share a unique body form that allows the eyes, ears and nostrils to be above the water surface, while most of the animal is hidden below. The tail is long and massive, and the skin is thick and plated. In the wild, crocodiles eat insects, fish, small frogs, lizards, crustaceans and small mammals. The entire underside of the crocodile has a rectangular pattern of scales, which are smaller than those on the upper surface. These scales are rectangular, entirely smooth, and contain little or no bone material. Next up we have the lion. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera, native to Africa and India. It has a muscular, broad-chested body, short, rounded head, round ears, and a hairy tuft at the end of its tail. Adult male lions are larger than females and have a prominent mane. A female lion in the wild has a lifespan of around 15 to 16 years, and a male lion in the wild has a lifespan of between 8 to 10 years. Lion's prey includes antelopes, zebras, wildebeest, buffalo and other grassland animals. These animals are often larger and faster than an individual lion, but lions are fierce predators that often stalk their prey before attacking. They stand between 3.5 to 4 feet tall at the shoulder. Males can grow to lengths of 10 feet and have a 2 to 3 foot tail, and can weigh from 330 to 550 pounds. Next are bears. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Uricidae. They are classified as caniforms or dog-like carnivorans. Although only 8 species of bears are extant, they are widespread, appearing in the wide variety of habitats throughout the northern hemisphere and partially in the southern hemisphere. Bears can be as small as 4 feet long and about 600 pounds, to as big as 8 feet long and more than 1,000 pounds. They're typically found throughout North America, South America, Europe and Asia. Bears are wild animals and they cannot be domesticated, and though they can be trained to a certain level, they can't ever be entirely domesticated or tamed. The main reason for this is that they are solitary animals by nature. Next we come to the scorpion. Scorpions are predatory arachnids of the order Scorpionus. They have 8 legs and are easily recognizable by a pair of grasping pincers and a narrow segmented tail, often carried in a characteristic forward curve over the back and always ending with a stinger. The evolutionary history of scorpions goes back over 435 million years. They predominantly live in deserts but have adapted to a wide range of environmental conditions and can be found on all continents except Antarctica. There are over 2,500 described species with 22 extant or living families recognized to date. Scorpions primarily prey on insects and other invertebrates, but some species do hunt vertebrates. They use their pincers to restrain and kill prey, or to prevent their own predation. The venomous sting is used for offense and defense. About 25 species, which is fewer than 1%, have venom that is capable of killing a human. The vast majority of species do not seriously threaten humans, and a healthy adult human would not usually need medical treatment after a sting. Next on the list comes sharks. Sharks are a group of elasmobranch fish characterized by a cartilaginous skeleton, 5 to 7 gills on the sides of its head, and pectoral fins that are not fused to the head. Modern sharks first appeared and diversified during the Jurassic period. Since then, sharks have diversified into over 500 species. They range in size from the small dwarf lantern shark, a deep species that is only 17 centimeters long, to the whale shark, the largest fish in the world, which reaches approximately 12 meters. Sharks are found in all seas and are common to depths of up to 2,000 meters. They don't generally live in fresh water, although there are a few known exceptions, such as the bull shark and the river shark, which can be found in both seawater and freshwater. Sharks have a covering of dermal denticles that protects the skin from damage and parasites, in addition to improving their fluid dynamics. They also have numerous sets of replaceable teeth. Now we move on to squids. A squid is a mollusk with an elongated soft body, large eyes, 8 arms and 2 tentacles in the superorder Decapodiformes. They have evolved to adopt an active predatory lifestyle. They are mainly soft-bodied, like octopuses, but have a small internal skeleton in the form of a rod-like gladius or pen made of chitin. Squids also play an important role in the open water food web. The 2 long tentacles are used to grab prey and the 8 arms to hold and control it. The beak then cuts the food into suitable sized chunks for swallowing. Squids are rapid swimmers, moving by jet propulsion and largely locate their prey by sight. They are among the most intelligent of the invertebrates, with groups of Humboldt squid having been observed hunting cooperatively. They are preyed upon by sharks, other fish, seabirds, seals, and particularly sperm whales. Squids can also change colour for camouflage and signalling. Some species are bioluminescent, using their light for counter-illumination camouflage, while many other species can eject a cloud of inks to distract predators. Next up comes snakes. Snakes are limbless, elongated carnivorous reptiles of the suborder Serpentes. Like all other squamates, snakes are ectothermic amniotic vertebrates covered in overlapping scales. Many species of snakes have skulls with several more joints than their lizard ancestors, enabling them to swallow prey that is much larger than their heads. To accommodate their narrow bodies, snakes' paired organs, such as kidneys, appear one in front of the other instead of side by side, and most only have one functional lung. Some species retain a pelvic girdle with a pair of vestigial claws on either side of the cloaca. Today, living snakes are found on every continent of the planet, except Antarctica, and on most smaller land masses. Exceptions to this include some large islands, such as Ireland, Iceland, Greenland, and the islands of New Zealand, as well as many small islands of the Atlantic and Central Pacific Oceans. Additionally, sea snakes are widespread throughout the Indian and Pacific Oceans. More than 20 families are currently recognized, comprising about 520 genera and about 3,900 species. They range in size from the tiny 4-inch Barbados thread snake to the 23-foot reticulated python, although there are some fossilized species which reach a whopping 42 feet long. Next we come to my scariest animal, which is the spider. Spiders are air-breathing arthropods that have 8 legs, jaws with fangs that are generally able to inject venom, and spinards that extrude silk. They are the largest order of arachnids and rank 7th in total species diversity among all orders of organisms. Spiders lay anything between 2 to 1,000 eggs depending on the species. Spiders' season is during the early days of autumn. This is the mating season, which is why you'll find spiders all over your house. It usually lasts for about 2 months, and if you're afraid of spiders like I am, then this season can generally be a bit of a nightmare for you. And the top of this list comes humans. Homo sapiens, that's humans, me and you, we are the most abundant and widespread species of primate, characterized by bipedalism and large complex brains. This has enabled the development of advanced tools, culture and language. Humans are highly social and tend to live in complex social structures comprised of many cooperating and competing groups, from families and kinship networks to political states. Social interactions between humans have established a wide variety of values, social norms and rituals which bolster human society. As populations have become larger and denser, forms of governance developed within and between communities, and a number of civilizations have risen and fallen. Humans have continued to expand with a global population of over 7.9 billion as of 2022. Humans are by way the far most dangerous animal. We have invaded and crawled over every corner of the world. We kill unimaginable numbers of plants and animals every day. We have caused the extinction of hundreds of species, and we are the only animal that kills each other for no particular reason. All wild animals kill for a reason, such as territory or food. But humans, we often kill because we're jealous or angry or want revenge. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you again next time. Take care.